Once you receive your brand new Zoleo Satellite Communicator, a couple things you need to know about the outside and inside of the box. On the outside, you'll have the information related to activation, which is also found on the device. But let's open up the box and take a look at the contents. First, we have the Zoleo device itself and the simple three-step activation process wrapped around it. Also found inside the box, we have some product information cards, quick start guides, and warranty information. There's also a USB cable for charging and a carabiner clip to attach the Zoleo onto your backpack. Now let's take a closer look at the Zoleo device itself. On the back of the device, you will find the information you'll need for activation, and on the sides, you have the USB charging port and the power button on the other side. On the top of the device, you have the LED status indicator lights, the SOS, and check-in buttons. Once you're ready, you can start the three-step activation process to get your Zoleo up and running.